The world is gradually switching to natural food, and so are we. And to make it more fun, we'll be making it a 100-layer burger. Let's start with pre-dough. Mix warm milk with yeast and brown sugar. The temperature of the milk has to be about 35 degrees to activate the yeast. Mix, cover with a towel, and leave for 15 minutes. Whisk 5 room temperature eggs and add salt. Then add them to the milk and yeast mix. Pour in vegetable oil. And sieve through 5 pounds of flour. This way it'll get saturated with air and make our bun fluffy. First, whisk it while the dough is still liquidy. When it isn't possible anymore, start kneading it with your hands. Cover it with a towel and put it in a warm, quiet place. After 45 to 50 minutes, we can check if it has risen. Slightly knead it and put it into an oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Bake 2 buns. Move on to cooking chicken marinade. Once the marinade covers the meat, the juice won't come out. Thanks to it, the ready meat will be juicy and soft, and it gets cooked faster. We'll need salt, garlic mix, rosemary, and olive oil. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Fry 20 pounds of chicken breast on a dry grill preheated to 450 degrees. After 5 minutes, we can turn the chicken over. If it got stuck, it means you need to grill it longer to get a crust. This way, it'll be easier to turn the meat over. Torisi sauce. This is a spicy and hot burger sauce you can cook in just a few minutes. First, chop chili pepper. Fry rosemary sprigs in a frying pan, and then add the chili pepper, oregano, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Slice marinated spicy pepper, mix it with peeled tomatoes, salt, dried oregano, and carefully process it with a blender. Then add in the fried chili pepper. Pour into a sauce dish, stick on a label, and move it to the other sauces. We also cooked ranch, mustard sauce, ginger, Big Mac, cheese, green, and ketchup. Time to fry 6 pounds of bacon. Preheat a grill to 450 degrees and put on the slices. Grill each side till you get a crunchy crust. To make it quicker, we fry bacon in a frying pan at the same time. Steaks are the next stage. We'll also cook them on a grill, but we'll be using coal this time. Wash and dry meat beforehand. There's no need to tenderize a steak before cooking. This ruins the structure of meat fibers and it can get tough. Grill it till it's done and add pepper. Patties are next on the list. We're using fresh ground beef, also pork and chicken. Add salt and pepper to taste. Then put a metallic mold onto a baking tray and shape patties. Bake for 40 minutes at 430 degrees. While the patties are getting cooked, we'll take care of pickles. Let them dry a little bit so there's no extra juice when we'll be assembling the burger. Now slice cheese. If you have a slicer, use it. We'll be cutting the veggies right before assembling the burgers so they stay fresh. We'll need tomatoes, bell pepper, cucumbers, onions. Cut everything into rings. Be careful with onions, it can be tricky as usual. Let's assemble our dish. We'll be using a special equipment to make our 100-layer burger stand still. It consists of a strong rod in the center, shelves, and wooden sticks for every 10 to 15 layers. So, pour sauce on top of the bun and put on lettuce. Then comes a patty, tomatoes, and bacon. Put cheese slices on top. Then comes a steak, pepper, and fresh onion rings. After that, we add a scrambled egg and another patty. Let's fasten the piece so we can continue assembling. Keep on adding the remaining ingredients until you get 100 layers. Use wooden sticks and shelves from time to time so the burger stays whole. The height of our burger is like an average teenager. It's 4 feet 4 inches tall. If you want to cook something for a kid's party, this treat will be amazing.